Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to morph two images. Go ahead and open up Squirlz Morph. There's probably a shortcut on your desktop. If not, go to the Start menu and locate Squirlz Morph. With Squirlz Morph open, I will choose File, Open, and I have images that are already resized. It's really important that they're the same size. And open up that Explore folder. Locate the Squirlz Morph folder and open up Morph Images. There's recommended combinations. You might want to look at these combinations before you choose. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose puppies. And I'm going to morph this white puppy and this brown. So I'll hold the Control key to select both those images and click Open. I'm going to go ahead and view these so they're a little smaller. So maybe I'll show 100% on both images. So I'll choose View, Show 100%, and I'll put them right next to each other, and I will get started. Now this is a preview window that's available also in Squirlz Morph. So what you're going to want to do is choose the little plus sign, and you're going to start tracing around one of the images. In this case, I'm going to trace around by clicking. I'm adding a lot of dots around the shape of the dog. So I'll keep doing that until I have completely added enough dots around the dog. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on this option here, which is the Move Control, and I'm going to come over to this other dog. And notice when I scroll over the dot of the brown dog, you can see where it is in relation to the white dog. They need to be in roughly the same location. So I'm going to drag it and then click to move it. I'll drag it and then click. And I'm going to keep doing that until it's roughly around the brown dog. I went ahead and completed the task of putting the dots in roughly the same location for both dogs. Now I'm going to click the yellow arrow, and you can see it in the preview window. As you can see, that's terrible, and that's why I'm going to keep working this morphing scheme. I'll go ahead and click on the yellow arrow one more time to stop it. I'm going to go to Morph, and for period at the top, I'm going to set that to 300. I did that through trial and error. You're going to want to experiment. I'll click OK. Now I'll click on the yellow arrow. As you can see, that's really slow, so I might go in and change that. I'm also going to go up to Morph, and I'm going to get rid of the check mark next to one way, and I'm going to choose Reverse. So it's going to morph from one dog and then go back. So if you want to speed that up, obviously you'll go to Morph period and change that. Maybe I'll put 200 and then test it. Okay, that's a little better. I'll stop it, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around the nose of the white dog. So I'll click on the plus sign and I'll start putting dots around the nose of the white dog. I will then go to the arrow to move, and I'm going to move the dots on the brown dog in relationship to the white dog. Hopefully this is making sense, and that should make a significant improvement when I play it. Much better. The next step is I'm going to do the eyes. So make sure you stop it so you can play it by clicking on the yellow arrow, and you can stop it by clicking on the yellow arrow. I went ahead and added dots around the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. So now when I click on the yellow arrow to preview it, you can see that it actually looks pretty decent. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the arrow again, and I'm ready to save it. I like the speed, and I'm ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and choose AVI to save it as an animation. You can also save it as an animated GIF, depending on what you want to do with it. So if you save it as an AVI, click on that and get it to a safe location on your computer. So somewhere safe in your home drive. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my desktop for now and call it Dogs. I'll click Save, and when this window pops up, I will leave the default setting at 15 and click OK. When this pops up, I will also click OK. When this window pops up, just click OK. You can now access your movie. So this is what the animated GIF looks like. I actually might want to go in and experiment a little bit with the speed, because that is a little on the slow side. Otherwise, it came out pretty good. This concludes the session on how to morph two images using Squirlz Morph. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.